Hello everyone, thanks for joining us yet again at the Nestle Professional Solutions booth here at the National Restaurant Association Show 2024. I'm your host, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and I have here with me Gus Pehrson, and he is the General Manager at Wonder, and we also have Executive Chef Ryan Jordan as well. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
Now my first question for you is, could you explain to us a little bit about the concept behind Wonder and WonderWorks?
Yeah, absolutely. So Wonder is a new kind of food hall. We operate a collection of delivery-first restaurants, which is a really great concept for consumers. And we do multiple restaurants and chefs out of a single location. So we partner with chefs like 𝗏𝗶𝗴, Jose Andres, Marcus Samuelsson, as well as award-winning restaurants like 𝗩𝗶𝗴𝗄𝗏, 𝗏𝗏𝗁, and bring those concepts directly to the doorstep of our consumers. So what we do is we cook that food to order for our customers out of the storefronts, which has been great, and it's delivered in less than 30 minutes. So that's Wonder overall. What we've done on the B2B side, WonderWorks, is taken that same culinary technology, that same IP, and some of those same brands, and brought those to bear for our business customers. So think of stadiums, arenas, hotels, and hospitality groups, and provide them with end-to-end turnkey solutions that gives them a high-quality food program with low labor and a really limited CapEx footprint, which has been a really big improvement for a lot of the P&Ls of our operators.
Could you talk a little bit about your partnership with Nestle Professional Solutions? Can you tell about your relationship and why you chose to partner with them?
Yeah, definitely. Nestle and Wonder have a lot of great shared DNA when it comes to culinary innovation and a emphasis on high quality food. And so that was first and foremost one of the main things that really enabled us to start a strong relationship. Overall, the out-of-home category is a really big and growing category. So that was a big part of what we wanted to do in terms of finding different ways to grow the business and accelerate the business in that category. Nestle has obviously had a really strong business in that for a long time. And so by partnering with them, we've been able to plug into their vision and their roadmap. And they have a very established base of highly engaged customers as well. So there's a lot of synergy from us being able to work with them. And very tactically, there's a lot of things that from their decades of expertise and knowledge in the industry that we've been able to get benefit from as well. So think about things like production, product offering, that kind of thing. So it's been a really great way to expand our offering and bring it to scale much quicker than we otherwise would have been able to.
And so your goal has been elevating quality of away from home food experiences with convenience. So could you tell us about that mission and your relationship with Nestle Professional?
Absolutely. So Wonder's overall mission is to provide affordable food at a high quality to everyone. That is our overall end goal. And partnering with Nestle Professional Solutions is the best way to do that because we're both at the brink of innovation in our current field. Clients want bolder flavors. They want to be able to have access to different varieties of food every day. They might want an Asian American concept one day. They might want barbecue the next, and pizza. What we're trying to do and what we are doing with Nestle is finding ways to get those items to our clientele in what we call fast fine. So not only is it fine, high quality ingredients, but we're doing it in a very quick, efficient, and ergonomic manner that is better for overall for us, our relationship with Nestle, and then we can pass that along to the customer.
And my final question for you is, many food service operators, they want convenience and faster cooking methods based on fluctuations in consumer traffic. So what's your take on this?
My take on it, from a restaurant operator, and I have operated restaurants in the past, in order to set up a fully fledged restaurant, we're looking at anywhere between $25,000 to $50,000 in fryers, ranges, convection ovens, combi ovens. Then we have to staff that building, and we're going to need 5 to 10 people to operate that between all these meal periods. We're going to have to install an ANSEL system, which is the fire prevention system. We're going to have to install black iron to hang hoods. With Wonder and partnering with Nestle Pro Solutions, we do not need that because we cook with ventless technology. So we're able to take that fryer, that flat top, that al forno traditional Italian style oven, and using our culinary engineering, the wind speed and the proprietary technology that we've developed inside the equipment that we use, we can mimic all of those different pieces of cooking equipment in a much faster, much more efficient, with much lower overhead. So we can take all those things, put them into the 𝗟𝗏𝗱𝗲 double batch, and as long as you purchase the product from us and Nestle Professional Solutions, it's going to be engineered to behave very specifically in that oven to give you a very specific, consistent result each time. And that's just going to make things much more efficient and much easier for clients to have access to this great food that these two companies are providing.
Well, Ryan and Gus, thank you so much for your insights today. I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.